Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Quest Learning Point. I hope you all are doing great. I am Bashar. Today I will show that how to create a resource and resource group in Azure Portal. In this tutorial I want to use the Azure Portal to create a resource. The main focus of the tutorial is to observing how Azure resource groups populate with recreated resources. Here I want to create a virtual machine and show that how the link the virtual machine with the resource group in Azure Portal environment. In my previous tutorial I discussed about the service virtual machine. It is infrastructure as a service IaaS type service in the Microsoft Azure cloud computing environment. It can provide a complete compute service virtually. My first target is to create a virtual machine by using Azure Portal and to be familiar with this environment. Compute services are often one of the primary reasons why companies move to the Azure platform. Azure provides a range of options for hosting applications and services. Virtual machine is the one of computing service in Azure. Let's start. Go to Azure Portal. And sign in into the Microsoft account. Before signing, have to activate a sandbox. After login in the Azure Portal, many items including create a resource, virtual machine, resource group, etc. will be seen in the top of the page. It is the home page of Azure Portal. You can start resource creating from here. Click on the create a resource icon and then click on create a virtual machine. Create a virtual machine page will be viewed. In this page, choose the concierge subscription from the subscription drop-down list box and select the learn resource group for the resource group option. Type virtual machine name my test VM1. Choose region US West US. Click on option button of password. For authentication, type username my Azure and password. Confirm password. Public inbound ports to none, and finally click on review plus create button. In this page, in review plus create tab, all information is viewed. Now click on create button. Initializing deployment. Submitting deployment. Deployment in progress. Deployment succeed. Your deployment is complete. Now We want to delete this learning resource group because it is created only for learning or tutorial purpose. If we don't delete, the sandbox automatically cleans up all resources. Type the resource group name and then click on delete button. At the end of the tutorial, it is found that a resource group and virtual machine are created, and then after observing, these are deleted. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you all have been able to take the idea about the creating resource group and virtual machine. If you think this tutorial is helpful for learning the Azure Cloud Computing, please click on like button and request you all to share it more and more to the persons who are searching the tutorial like this. If you have any question on this tutorial, opinions and queries about this channel, please type this in the comment box. You also mail to me. In the description box, email ID is given for you. Kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell button so that you can get notification when new tutorial is published.